Hey.
Guys, that is the beginning of weight loss journey. In this place, there is no time for
This is the beginning of
weight loss journey. So after this chicken and the whole plantain puff puff, oh my goodness, Emmanuel, you want one?
This is something else.
This is really something. Let me see.
Out of this world. Like, if you don't have self-control, please don't make this thing at home. Don't make plantain puff.
This is like where you are telling kids, don't try this thing at home and in school.
Plantain puff puff and peppered sauce. Peppered sauce. When you open it like this, oh sugar. Wow.
This is Saturday brunch.
That is so beautiful. Oh wow. Are you confident? Are you confident? Tomorrow, we'll start the weight loss journey.
Tomorrow's a Sunday and you're gonna cook the rice.
Tomorrow is Sunday, you're gonna cook.
Yeah.
Baby.
Weight loss journey will start tomorrow, but remember, tomorrow is Sunday. There's always fried rice and the jollof rice.
Oh.
Oh my God. It's just like boiling. Boiling.